Nature is a powerful life force. It gives us the air we breathe, warmth of the sun, food to nourish our bodies, water to cleanse our souls. Every day, nature gives us miracles. I find myself asking, how can I honor this life force, express gratitude for all the things nature gives to me? How can I coexist harmoniously with the natural world? Renovating our dream home, I wanted the interior to reflect my love for the world outside. Craft was able to bring the beauty of nature's indoors using only the highest quality sustainable wood. All their products are responsibly sourced, environmentally conscious, and ethically produced. I have peace of mind knowing we're aligned in our values. Craft is deeply committed to healthy indoor living and preserving our natural resources. They are serious about sustainability. Craft Floors provides the groundwork to a healthy home and reminds me every day of my own commitment to Mother Nature.
Craft Artisan Wood Floors is dedicated to environmental responsibility, achieving the highest level of green certification. Not only does Craft use certified sustainable wood, they ensure every element in Craft products, from the glue to the coating, is non-toxic and red list free. Craft takes pride in doing their part to keep our planet healthy. It's their nature